Projectable whiteboard walls. Write, display, and share from the same surface. Write freely on whiteboard walls. A projectable whiteboard wall provides teams with the freedom to brainstorm, jot down ideas on the fly, and sketch diagrams directly on the surface without the need for separate flip charts or whiteboards. Display slides, videos, opaque subjects, film strips, overhead projector slides, and computer images directly onto the writable wall. Doing so is an excellent way to stimulate vibrant interactive discussions in your home, office, business, or classroom. Share ideas visually on a whiteboard painted wall. Whiteboard paint allows for two means of displaying information and brainstorming for the price of one: a quality dry erase writing board and a user-friendly projector screen. Save space with multi-use whiteboard walls. Combining the writing and projecting functions in one surface, whiteboard walls reduce clutter in businesses, offices, and classrooms, eliminating the need for a separate projection screen and traditional whiteboards or flip charts. Upgrade affordably with whiteboard paint. Transforming any smooth interior surface with whiteboard paint is a cost-effective way to create a quality projectable wall compared to buying separate presentation tools. Engage teams and classes with interactive whiteboard painted walls. When employees or students are able to write, display slides or videos, and share their ideas in the same space, the level of engagement really rises dramatically. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.